Okay guys, we're gonna be running some errands today in the Lamborghini. I got my nephew visiting from Utah, and he goes, Vinny, or Uncle, he says, I love Lamborghinis and I want to take a ride in your cool car. I said, well, why not? Let's make it happen.
I mean, Ferraris are better. So.
Ferraris are better. Ouch. All right, so have you ever started a Lamborghini before?
No.
Have you ever been in a Lamborghini before?
No.
Never. Okay, we're gonna make history today. Noah, go ahead and turn the ignition on. All right, Noah, go ahead and fire her up. We got a cold start going. How's that feel, buddy? Is that awesome?
Yeah.
You ready to go for a nice ride?
Yep. All right, see y'all later.
All right, we're gonna go to the auto parts store.
Yeah.
We gotta get a new light for my Nissan Sentra over there. The Nissan Sentra's out, so we're gonna go to AutoZone, get a new light, hang out, have some good times.
You got some champagne in here?
Nope. So the subwoofer is behind here, so it's covered up. Pretty cool, huh? Come on, cool guy. And we got an audience out here. We got a fly and the audience, yeah. Okay. Rock and roll. Here's your seatbelt, bro.
Oh yeah, I know that.
Did it get caught? This is kind of funny. Good?
Yeah.
All right, you ready for warp speed? Dad, should we keep it under 30 miles an hour? No? So at this point, a customer calls me. Keep in mind, it's New Year's Day. We're expecting a snowstorm tonight. He tells me, Vinny, my water heater just went out. I don't know what to do. The water's cold, and the poor guy has a newborn baby at the house and his wife. So I said I'd come take a look at it. So you guys are gonna see that job site visit in this video.
Well, not with the white van in the background.
What's wrong with the white van? It looks like you're looking at the car instead of me. She was looking at the car instead of me. Yeah, this is my face, you know.
You ready to rock and roll, baby?
Yep.
You ready to do this, Noah?
Yep.
Okay. Bye, guys.
That's going fast.
The lady was getting mad.
People be trying to watch Netflix and they hear this.
What'd you think of that?
I thought that was cool.
A little taste.
Yeah.
We got a little taste, but we gotta be
It
careful.
looks like it died.
We don't want an accident. We gotta take it easy.
Your GoPro died, by the way.
What?
Yeah.
Bro.
And I can tell this hasn't been repaired at all. It looks original.
Yeah, all original, man. I just gotta clean it. So we have sport. We got auto. Okay. So I put it in sport mode. That helps with the clutch.
The seats remind me of like a Rolls Royce type stitching.
Most people are used to the manual. Okay, right here. So these have paddle shifts, and this goes all the way up to 6th gear.
It's better this way.
So we're gonna go to my client's house really fast. fast. It's New Year's Day. His water heater went out. He doesn't live too far from where I live, and the auto parts store is on the way. So we're gonna go ahead and try to take care of this client. He's been a really good client of mine. And like I said, it's New Year's. So we're gonna do a good deed today and make sure that his water heater is up and running for him, his wife, and his newborn child. All right? Because that's what Vinny the Handyman does. We take care of our clients. Okay, we're here at my client's house. I did his basement remodel about a year and a half ago. And so, like I said, his water heater went out. It's New Year's Day, it's freezing. We're getting a snowstorm tonight. So I'm gonna see if I can't rectify the issue, get him up and running, and go from there. So let's go check it out. What's up, bro? You need me to let you in? Yeah, man. His water heater went out.
Yeah, I was about to hop in the shower. You got home. Oh,
you got taller, bro.
what the hell, man? You know what I'm saying? It's the way I live. You know, how's everything?
Yeah, good, man. Everything's busy.
Everything's been good?
Oh, bro. Good, busy, works good.
I like the car, bro.
Yeah, oh, thank you, man. This is my nephew right here.
What's up, buddy?
He's visiting from Utah.
Okay,
So.
you guys getting a little...
Yeah, we were gonna go to AutoZone and the roll call.
Oh, that's
Hi.
right.
My zipper keeps falling.
He hit a couple pumps in there too, but
Okay.
I'll let you
All right.
get on with that.
Dissect this.
Come grab me if you need me, yeah?
All right, brother.
Thank you.
Yep. Okay. So the hot water heater is very cold. There's nothing going through it right now. So I'm guessing it's the pilot. Ow! All right, cool. All right, so it took some time, but we got it. We had a lot of high winds that may have blown out the pilot light in the water heater. So anyhow, we got it to work. So now he'll have hot water for tonight's New Year's party. And again, this is just helping out my customers. He doesn't live too far from me. It gave me a reason to take the Lamborghini out. And this is free of charge for him because he's been a great client. You may have seen this build out actually in some of my YouTube videos. I actually built this whole basement out, and we're gonna be doing the kitchen next. But like I said, these are my really good customers, and you take care of people when you need to. So this will be free of charge. Happy New Year's, Mo, and let's get going. You take care. I'll see you on the next job.
Sounds good. Have a happy New Year.
Oh, you too. Thank you so much.
Yeah, bye.
So next stop, now we're gonna go to the auto parts store. We're going to get that light that I was telling you guys about. So let's get going. Where to next?
Auto parts.
The auto parts store. All right.
Is it a button you press or just
For what?
to make it go faster or?
No, you just gas it, and then you shift the gears whenever you want. So when I want to go really fast, I'll take it all the way up to like 7,000 RPM. If I'm just in a cruising mode, I'll go to about 3,000 to 4,000 RPM, and then shift the second gear, and then so on and so on. So, boom, boom. All preference. So we did a good deed for the day, huh, Noah?
Yep.
How'd that feel?
Good.
Helping somebody out,
Yep.
right? That feel good? You know what we call that?
Helping.
That's the Vinny effect, man.
I don't know what that is, but
I don't either. Actually, nice kind of having a camera crew with me. So thank you, Noah, for helping me out. Usually I'm filming by myself, you know. So not only did we do an automotive trip, we wouldn't have the client, and then we got to cruise in the Lamborghini. So we knocked out 3 things at once. Now that's a good day.
take the Lambo every day, you're gonna get tasks done real fast.
Exactly. Oh, I need gas. So I get about 2 miles a gallon in this car. Every time I go through a stoplight, it's like $20.
We got people staring.
Oh, I forgot my cards, man.
They videotaped it. That's cool.
All right, so Noah's gonna pick out the headlight for us.
Okay.
All right, Noah.
813.
H13, go ahead and find it.
So all I did here was see this number right here with the letter.
Okay.
H13, and that's what we're
There
getting.
you go. Awesome. Now, is that the expensive or the cheap one?
It's alright.
I'm just kidding. All right, so we're gonna get this one and check out. Okay guys, that concludes this video. Thank you for tuning in to watching me and my nephew have fun. Noah, you're gonna do great things in life. Thank you for visiting Uncle Ryan. I'm proud of you, I love you, and I'll see you on the next adventure ride.